I want to talk about Egypt first of all. We'll get to the market in a moment. The Eni-Zohr project is a big gas project for Egypt. What's it going to produce this year? What can you tell us it's going to produce next year?
Excellent. Well, the Zohr gas project is an important one, and actually it has helped us in Egypt to reach quickly the self-sufficiency. You know, I've been importing LNG for the last 3 years.
Yes.
And with the discovery of Zohr, we made sure that we put together with Eni, our partners, a plan for the development of this field as quickly as possible, and we were able to reach a 28-month, which is a world record, from the discovery date till the production date, and by which we are now, today, we are producing about 2 billion cubic foot per day from Zohr alone. And
what can that get to? 2 billion cubic feet per day, 2018. What can that scale up to in 2019? What's the ambition?
It will scale up to about 3. So again, a 1/3 plus of what is currently producing. So, or let us say, 50% of what we are producing currently from Zohr can be increased by next year. So we will reach 3 billion cubic foot per day.
What do you say to the detractors who would suggest actually you've got a population growth on your hand, that you're still going to have to ultimately import some gas? Is that a fair suggestion?
Yeah, of course. I mean, now what we are doing is the self-sufficiency. So stop importing LNG, self-sufficiency, and then we resume exports of gas. And this will, of course, be reflected on the well-being and our earnings, definitely, of foreign currency.
And that's going to be a good help if you're on the export trail. Can I ask you about the Mubadala-Eni deal on the Nour gas? Is that going to be approved? Is that approval coming before the end of the year?
Well, normally, and this is something that, and this is the beauty of having good partners like that. I mean, such partnership or transaction that was announced yesterday, that Mubadala has taken shares from Eni's share in the Nour concession, has of course been spoken to us before. So I mean, they came and they asked us as the government, because it has to be approved by the government. So now what we are going to do is just formalities to give them this deed of assignment approval.
Are there similar deals in the pipeline?
Not currently, no. Nothing new in the pipeline. However, as we go and as we expect more concessions to be awarded from the bid round that we have, I think that this will happen soon.
OPEC, it's been suggested by the Saudis that we need to see a reduction in production of about 1 million barrels per day. It's not stopping the market from dropping at the moment. What is it going to take to stop this drop in the market? More than 1 million barrels of reduction in production? What do you reckon it takes?
Well, I cannot tell you that this will be just physical barrels, but it has to give the reassurance. When the markets feel the confidence that there is no threat, there is nothing, everything is stable, there is no geopolitics playing in the decision and affecting the decision of the price, I think the price will stabilize. At the end of the day, what should prevail is the correct balance between the supply and demand reflected on the price.